Now let's move on to Prince Harry. He's set to miss another royal event, this time King Charles's birthday parade. And Harry's performance in the High Court has apparently left the monarch embarrassed. Tell me why so many are saying his appearance on the stand was ill-advised.
Well, the Sussexes have so far been embarrassing the royal family for years now. So I think at this point it's par for the course. I think this particular case of Prince Harry on the stand was quite astonishing because of how ill-prepared he was. I mean, he kind of went down the same line as, the Oprah interviews, talking about his feelings, how articles that he read between 1991 and 2011 made him feel. When you're under the interrogation of a seasoned barrister like Andrew Green, your feelings don't get very far in the courtroom. And so it was quite shocking to see the kind of things that he said. I mean, at one point, because he's suing the MGN group for unlawful activity, including phone hacking, to try and get information about his life. And at one point, he said that he's there to find out if they've actually been hacking him. So he said he's accusing them of phone hacking, and then at the court case he said, "This is what we're here to find out." And I just found that very strange. Why would you accuse someone of something that you're not even sure they've done? And it seems like he doesn't have a shred of evidence to back up.
No, I wouldn't have thought you go to the High Court for discovery. You would have some evidence before you get to that stage, you would hope.
Yeah.
But, it's all about Harry's truth. The objective truth is almost irrelevant in his world. And I've got a special treat for you here, Esther. We have a reconstruction of Harry on the stand, thanks to Sky News UK. Let's have a look.
I believe that, again, as a child, every single one of these articles played an important role, a destructive role in my growing up. To give any confirmation that I can specifically remember reading the articles at the time, I believe would be speculation. Yes, as you said, more than thousands, maybe millions of articles have been written about me since age 12.
It's funny. Are you having fun with this trial? I don't think the judge is enjoying it. He's made some pointed remarks, but are you enjoying the frivolity?
To be perfectly honest, I think I'm more shocked than anything else, and that's a lot coming from me because it takes a lot to surprise me. I cannot believe that Prince Harry and the other 100 other sort of people that are suing the MGN group are spending this much money to try and prove something in court when it looks like they don't really have the evidence to back it up. There are many things that Prince Harry does that no longer surprises me, but this I thought was a different level of bizarre.
Now, I mentioned at the top that Prince Harry may not be at King Charles's birthday festivities. This reportedly would mark the first time Harry has not been welcome at his father's official birthday celebrations. A royal source told News Corp, "I'm afraid it's a reflection of the state of relations at the moment." Esther, we thought the coronation may be an opportunity to heal some of those wounds and begin to reconcile, but it doesn't seem to be happening.
Well, clearly the mood is still very frosty. I mean, Prince Harry spent twice as long in the UK for his court case than he did at King Charles's coronation. And from what we can see, obviously the palace hasn't confirmed anything. It still seems to be quite cold certainly between the siblings, but also between Prince Harry and his father. The reality is, though, I think the royal family as an institution is clearly on a path, and they're clearly trying to pursue a certain strategy, which alienates the likes of the Sussexes and Prince Andrew as well. So I suspect that even if relations were warmer, he still wouldn't be invited. He's not a working royal. I don't think he has any way back into the royal family. There's a big question mark whether his children will even know anything about the royal family, know their relatives and their cousins here in the UK. But I think it's mostly the fact that the royal family are trying to just get on with business and ignore the peripheral royals that really shouldn't be in the public eye, and also the fact that tensions are still running high between the Sussexes and the royal family.